up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Thank y'all so much for those of y'all that have been joining me on my weekly vlogs every week. I really enjoy doing this, so I appreciate y'all for watching. But anyway, we got a big weekend ahead of us. Girl, not big, I'm being dramatic. We just have a cookout to go to, but we got some things to do for the cookout. So Antonio's family is having a wildlife cookout down in Yikes, Florida, which is a little small town, y'all. It's just like one stoplight. But the wildlife cookout is exactly what it sounds like. They're gonna be cooking wild stuff, rabbits and squirrels and I don't know what else. But my brother and Antonio decided that they was gonna take an alligator to the wildlife cookout. So we ordered an alligator about a week ago. He came. My brother has him soaking in a brine, and we're going to be grilling him up first thing in the morning, and I am responsible for the sides. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to go to the store, get all the sides. So the sides for an alligator are like crab boil size, so sausage, corn, potatoes, and then I want to get some garnish to make it look nice. But before we get to cooking alligators, I do have some things to do. I need to run into Best Buy and get some things for my camera here. I need to go to Target because I am building my capsule wardrobe. So yeah, welcome back to the vlog, and let's get into it. Excuse me. Do you have external drives for cell phones? Like you plug them right into your cell phone, and so you can just pull it.
What phone do you have?
iPhone.
This USB-C or Lightning?
USB-C.
Yeah, so all you just go to work as long as it has USB-C, and then
all right. All right, perfect. Now I need a big boy. I need a Terra. All right, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, y'all, that was quick. Got the goods from Best Buy. I love it when I'm able to go right in and get what I need and get out the store. But what I had to get is a scan disc drive for my phone. So y'all, I was about to get a whole new iPhone. Now my iPhone is still older. It's like a 12, but it still worked fine. The only issue that I have been having is that the space is gone, like immediately whenever I'm filming videos, recording short form content or whatever. The space is always gone. I never have enough memory. So I was just about to go get a new phone today, and then last night I saw somebody posted like, this is all that you need. So basically this is like an external hard drive for your phone, so you just plug it in and then you can transport all of your videos over to this, or photos, whatever you want to transport to this, instead of holding them on your phone. Y'all, I swear every time I turn on the camera, my phone rings. Every time. Yes, baby. So anyway, yeah, y'all. So I just saved myself thousands of dollars because the new iPhone that I wanted, I was going to get the iPhone with 1 terabyte of space, and that one was like $1,300. So I'm gonna just hold on to my old phone and free up some space right here for $50. Now, I was wishing that they had one with a terabyte, but this is the biggest size that they had. They didn't have a terabyte, so I just gotta rock with this. But either way, it should free up all the space on my phone. I won't keep nothing on my phone, y'all. This is like clutch for content creators, because if you... Hey y'all, good morning. So it is the day of the cookout, and I have been in here, and I've been in here all morning preparing for the alligator. Let me show y'all what I have decided to do. So we had this stove topper that I made a few years ago, and I think it's the perfect size, so I just pulled that out. I got some parsley from the store, put that on there, and then for all the fixings, it's basically just like a crab boil, y'all. So I just got corn and sausage and potatoes, and what we are going to do, put the alligator right in the middle, put the fixings in the center as well, and then I might dress up the edges with some oranges, and that's it. But yeah, we're waiting for my brother. He should be pulling up any second so we can pack him up and get out of here, and then I'll show y'all what it looks like.
Man, that shit look good.
Oh my gosh.
So the limit,
So what can I help y'all do today? Well, in the event that you're ever invited to a wildlife cookout and your husband and brother decide that they don't want to show up empty-handed, so they go online and purchase a whole alligator and cook it up and then hand it over to you and tell you to make it look pretty, here's what I would do. So I would start with some fixing. So just like you're going to do a crab pot, I would do sausage, corn, and potatoes. Put those all in the pot, get those boiling. Then you're going to need a large tray, something like this. And then we're going to go in with garnishing. I'm using parsley. You can use whatever garnish you like. Then just have the men bring in the gator. Put him all in place. And then if you really want to show out, you can add a chicken to his mouth like we did. And then you're going to go in with those sides and just fill it up completely. Then get you a couple of slices of oranges, place those all around the edges just to add that little finishing touch, and voila, you are all set.
Try that. I know, right? That is so pretty.
Okay. All right, and that's how it's done.
All right, y'all, in the car, finally about to roll out. So I'll show y'all what else is at this wildlife cookout once we get there.
It was all caught on camera. I thought he was the one. Felt like such a fool. You looked like one too. Good one.
Is that the right way?
I think it's that way.
You sure? Hold on, let me see. Oh, it's good.
Y'all, look at him.
Turn it around.
What's that?
The alligator.
Is that an alligator?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
What, Uncle Greg?
Hey, Corn.
Oh, man.
They got the barbecue gator up here.
Oh, take a picture of that, please.
Where Uncle Greg at? We want him to see it. What he doing? Oh, here he comes.
Let me go get my game.
What your nephew brought you? What you say?
Well, that's
I might have to try that.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, boy, he's slicing that thing, man. Look at that.
Come right on.
That's a tenderloin.
Corey, that's a lot. He look good though. Yeah. All right, baby, you got to tell the folks what we got.
Okay. Do you want rice?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, so what we got on the menu?
We got some baked coon, raccoon. You want some? That's got gravy on it this time.
I'm a pass on the raccoon.
Okay. We got some smothered squirrel.
Okay, I'll try the smothered squirrel.
You want some gravy on your rice or your black-eyed peas?
Yeah, let me do black eyed peas.
On the rice?
Yeah.
Then we got some rabbit right here.
I'll try a little rabbit.
A little bit.
I'm gonna just skip the coon. I don't want no coon.
Okay.
All right.
You're going all out. Go on out. Some black-eyed peas.
And what's that? Cabbage?
Cabbage with some potatoes.
Okay.
Kristen got one. So
Oh,
when
yeah,
you ain't got a pool,
rabbit good.
You get your one out of the.
Okay.
Go get me a plate.
That rabbit good.
Your brother might be going to jail in Florida for a whole gator.
That's what somebody out there said to me. What the game warden?
Y'all bet.
Oh,
Yeah. Good job, boy. Let's go, my boy. I get fired up.
Y'all, I guess the gator was a hit because he is gone. Still got some chicken though. All right, guys, we made it back. The wildlife cookout was a success. So let me just give my thoughts and opinion on the food. First of all, the gator was good. Oh my goodness. Why y'all didn't tell me I wasn't looking? So first off, the gator was good. It was, my brother like did a barbecue glaze on it. So it was good. The chicken that was in his mouth was really good too. I think y'all saw I did not try any of the coon, y'all. I just can't wrap my mind around it. Did you try the coon?
I tried the coon.
How was it?
It was all right. I tried the dry coon. So it's wet coon and it's dry coon. The wet coon has the gravy on it. The dry coon is just like in the oven, kind of like a broiled or baked.
Yeah, you know what it is about the coon? It's the color. It's so dark. Like
it's seasoning.
I can't get with it. No, the meat just look black almost. I can't get with it, y'all. So I did not even try that.
A lot of bones.
Is it? It's a lot of bones.
You seen all the bones? You ain't paying attention to the bones? Did you took video though, didn't you?
Yeah.
You'll see it.
I couldn't try it. Y'all saw I did get some rabbit and squirrel. I tried the squirrel, y'all, but
Squirrel straight.
I'm sorry. I can't do it either. It didn't taste bad, but it's an unfamiliar meat. And of course, you know, if it's a meat you don't know, as soon as I tasted it, I'm like, I don't know. But the rabbit, surprisingly,
Bugs Bunny was busted.
I think the rabbit was the best. It really it's like a white meat, and it really puts you in the mind of turkey. Basically, that's what it tastes like. And that was so good. I feel like the rabbit probably was the best. I liked it a lot. Yeah. The gator meat was really thick, and the being barbecued and everything was good. I don't know, maybe because the rabbit was like smothered in the gravy. I don't know. That rabbit was good. I would get a rabbit a 10 out of 10. And what y'all didn't see, they also had fried fish. They had shrimp and grits too. I think I showed y'all that. But yeah, we just had a good time. Hung out with the family. We just getting back home. It's late now. But yeah, that was it. That's what we did today. Wildlife cookout was a success. Let me know in the comments, do y'all eat wild animals? So, all right, we'll see y'all on the next one.